Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply various text effects to your text on CapCut PC. So select your text and add in your default text. Here you can change it, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Then I'm going to select effects here, and as you can see there are a lot you can choose from. These are a few that matches the background. I'm also going to change the font because it looks not the best right now, so I'm just going to scroll up and then I'm just going to change the font first. Oops. I'm going to change the font first like so, and okay, I think you need to select the effects here. I forgot to mention that you need to select the effects one here and not on the left side. This is if you want to add in like an effect first before you add in the font, but you basically need to go to the effects on the right side and not on the left side. That was my bad, but that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!